This lake home has everything you need with plenty of entertaining space. Large corner lot off-water home with absolutely beautiful views of the lake and sunsets. The beach and boat ramp are so very close. All furniture and wall decor are included in this open floor plan home with over 2,000 square feet of finish. Spacious and open kitchen with floating island, new countertops, oak cabinetry and newer stainless steel appliances. New 3-season room with an attached deck that leads to the master also. There is a large lower lever deck, both decks enable you to view the beautiful lake and sunsets. 3 bedrooms total, one being the master suite with bath and large walk-in closet. Then 2 bedrooms, a full bath including a washer and dryer and family room in the walkout lower level. Huge 3-car detached garage with plenty of storage for vehicles, boats and lake toys. Another driveway for your RV.